children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 89 ब्रेनन मार्टन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक. अगेन ये जो एक्सरसाइजेज हैं ये बुक 1 ग्रामर बुक से हैं और टॉपिक है prepositions. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Temperance and employment are conducive to health. A policeman rescued the child from danger. Dogs have antipathy to cats. He promised not to do anything repugnant to the wishes of his parents. He is not the man to allow anyone to encroach on his rights. Some of the members of the assembly complained of increased military expenditure. Even the enemies admit that he is endowed with rare talents. He inspires respect in his friends. Our path is beset with difficulties. He was not able to give satisfactory explanation for his absence. Illness is mere pretext for his absence. He has been very much indulgent to his children. This discussion is hardly relevant to the subject. Contentment is essential to happiness. Early rising is beneficial to health. He is not likely to do anything detrimental to our interest. His benefactions must redound to his credit. Only graduates are eligible for the post. He is capable as a leader but intolerant of opposition. Boys over 16 are debarred from competing. Father Damien consecrated his life to ameliorating the lot of lepers. That rule is not applicable to your case. A public man should be tolerant of criticism. He is willing to make a concession to the demands of his employees. I often find him absorbed in thought. The accommodation is adequate to our needs. The hotel is adjacent to the station. The authorship of the book is wrongly ascribed to him. Never do anything that is not compatible with public safety. His father often connives at his follies. Some public men are very sensitive to criticism. He is addicted to gambling. You need not to be afraid of being late. Death is preferable to disgrace. Cats are tenacious of life. It is not true that the study of science tends to atheism. Some films are incitement to crime. He was angry with me because he thought my remark was aimed at him. The climate of Rangoon does not agree with him. His plans are adverse to my interest. The question of unemployment bristles with difficulties. Although he was bred for the law, become a successful journalist. Generally, the rich are more covetous of money than the poor. He is still smarting from or rebuke. But instead we can write over also. He scoffed at the idea of revolution. He has reverted to his former post. The battle resulted in a victory for the Allies. He restored the article to its rightful owner. The whole theory rests on no firmer foundation than mere conjecture. The ultimate decision rests with the board of directors. Only when persuasions fail, the police resorted to force. Superstitious fears preyed on his mind and made him miserable. He piqued himself on his artistic taste. They now jeered at him, whom they had once acclaimed as their hero. His followers now began to intrigue with his adversary. She interceded with her husband on behalf of the people. It is not easy to infer from his account the real state of affairs. He died without imparting to anyone the secret of his process. His statement was a tantamount to a confession. The facts points to a different explanation. His friends prevailed on him to withdraw his resignation. Few boys are not amenable to discipline. तो ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 89. लेट मी इन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 90. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए असा एजुकेशन.